Guess what is soft? We use it to dry our hands and face, wraps us warmly after a bath. What is this? Tell me now. Towel! Guess what has bristles? Keeps our teeth clean. It's very important to use it every day. What is this? Tell me now. Toothbrush! Guess what is foamy? Cleans our hands, covers our hands with bubbles. What is this? Tell me now. Soap! Guess what comes in a bottle? Softens our hair with a lovely scent. It stays in the bathroom. What is this? Tell me now. Shampoo! Guess what is big? We're filled with water. We bathe inside the coziest spot in the bathroom. What is this? Tell me now. Bathtub! Guess what is small? Hangs on the wall. We look at ourselves, always there while we brush our hair. What is this? Tell me now. Mirror! Guess what hangs? Gives us more water. We always stand under it for a shower. What is this? Tell me now. Shower head! Guess what is liquid? Sanitizes our hands, keeps them clean like soap. What is this? Tell me now. Hand sanitizer!